According to latest reports, United Arab Emirates has approached the Indian government for procurement of the Astra Beyond Visual Range Air-to-Air system, to be equipped on 66 Mirage 2000 fighter jets. United Arab Emirates has also shown interest and has made an inquiry on the Tejas-MK1A medium-weight fighter jet. The MICA system is not considered among the top air-to-air systems, and the European firm MBDA has started work on the development of next-generation MICA system, but it will be available after a period of 7 years. Therefore, the air forces of both United Arab Emirates and India are seeking to replace it with the Astra system. After MBDA turned down India's request to equip the Meteor system on Indian Mirage 2000, India has started the integration of Astra system on 270 Su-30 fighter jets, and it will soon be integrated into Mirage 2000 Tejas-MK1A and MiG-29 fighter jets. Pakistan has recently conducted the test of a nuclear-capable submarine-launched cruise system with a range of 450 kilometers. Pakistan is currently in the process of purchasing 8 diesel-electric submarines from China, as equipping nuclear-capable cruise systems on its existing conventional submarines will be highly destabilizing. India's induction of K4 system is unlikely to draw any reaction from China, as it has already operationalized its Jen-class submarine, which is equipped with 12 nuclear-capable cruise systems with an estimated range of 7,200 kilometers, which means that most of India falls within its range, even if the Chinese submarine operates from the South China Sea. A Memorandum of Understanding had been signed between the navies of India and Qatar, which will provide placement opportunities for its Indian veteran sailors. The Indian Navy is also seeking similar employment opportunities with other friendly nations, while the Kerala government is also considering job opportunities to ex-servicemen in its coastal security organization. Chinese engineers have constructed a new bridge over the Brahmaputra river in Tibet, and it is aimed to boost rail connectivity in South Tibet, which is crucial for logistical support in both infrastructure building and military activities. This new development comes months after China opened a 409 km new expressway close to the Indian border.